Ahoy everyone, I'm Steph, I'm a diver, and a few years ago I got into underwater photography, and I'm super excited because today my new DiveVolk kit arrived, which means that I'm going back to my roots. I initially started shooting underwater with my iPhone 10 in the SeaTouch housing. I eventually upgraded all the way to a beautiful ISOTA housing with an Olympus OMD 5 Mark III, and now that DiveVolk is offering full access to the touchscreen, I have decided to go back to my roots to shoot on an iPhone again. So today is the day. The package has just arrived in the mail and I'm so excited. I really want to share with all of you what's in the box. So dive on in with me. Okay, so here we go. This is the box. Let's see what's in it. Of course, this is the housing. Then we have a protective cover. Then we have, oh my gosh, this, the wide angle conversion lens. That seems a bit small, but we'll investigate that. Then we have the expansion clamp to be able to fit the lenses. We have a magenta filter for green water, a red filter to get the colors at depth, of course. And last but not least, we have the dome lens for split shots. All right, let's open these babies up. Let's start with the main housing. Drum roll. Ta-da! There it is. So I've ordered mine with an insert for the iPhone 15, which I don't even have my iPhone 15 yet. Wow, it feels really solid. To be honest, I didn't really know what I should expect. Yes, interesting. Wow. This is what it's all about. The touchscreen accessibility. So, this would be the insert. Not really sure how this is supposed to work with the iPhone 15. It seems kind of like a placeholder. Maybe it's in here. Aha. Manual. Tools. This must be the insert, and it says 13, 13 Pro, 14, 14 Pro, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so they haven't sent the 15, but I guess I'll find out. Then the DiveVolk leash. So, well, I've got my iPhone 11. Let's see. 11, 12. It does fit. So let's see if this actually works. So I guess I could use these buffers to make it fit. But I'm too keen now. Very eager. And let's see. It's stuck. Oh my God. Cut here. Never, ever, ever try something that you know nothing about without reading the instructions first. Very important. I'm so relieved. Okay. Let's not do that again. Let's just continue with the rest of the unboxing. Right. Next up, the protector. Well, it's probably, I'm gonna open that once I've figured out the housing. Next is the magenta filter. Probably pretty straightforward. Comes in a nice little protected box, which is nice. Very lovely. Same with the red filter. It's good that it's got a bit of protected box, especially when you're traveling. You know it's nice and safe from scratches or getting squashed in your bag, which is nice. Now, the clam. Clam. I'm not going to, and the tools, which is nice. Now this, I'm really curious. It says wide angle conversion lens. I have never seen a wide angle lens this tiny. I mean, look at it, it's so cute. Ooh, very nice. I appreciate a good protective cover. Very, very good for when you're on the boat. Keep everything protected. My goodness, so cute. And then the dom lens for split shots. Let's see what this baby looks like. Oh, what's this? Scan the QR code to watch the dom lens video. Very nice. Instructions. Love instructions. There it is. Oh. And underneath is a bracket. Okay. I guess the instructions will tell me what to do with that. It looks solid. It's all plastic, but it all looks very serious. So can't wait to find out and how this all works. Beautiful. And there you have it. Well, this is it. This was the unboxing of the DiveVolk. I am super excited to get underwater. I don't even have my new phone yet, so hopefully I'll get it this Friday and then hit the water on Sunday. Thank you for sticking with me. I'm clearly not a YouTuber, but I'll do my best to figure all of this out and then perhaps pop up another few videos and also some examples from when I had the chance to test this all out underwater. So if you have any questions, pop them in the comments. I'll try and answer them. I'm by no means an expert, but I'll clearly be exploring all of this. And if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. Thank you. See ya.